Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026. A name that sounds almost impossible but has become a reality, combining the legendary Ferrari performance and design with the luxury and practicality of a motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's an entirely new concept that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering and luxury living on wheels. Ferrari has always been about exclusivity and performance, but with this creation, they are bringing a lifestyle element that caters to those who want both speed and comfort, power and practicality, elegance and adventure in one remarkable package, starting. With the exterior, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 carries unmistakable Ferrari DNA. The sleek lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and aggressive stance make it look more like a supercar stretched into a luxury coach rather than a conventional motorhome. The iconic prancing horse badge sits proudly on the front grille, while the LED headlamps are sharp, modern, and adaptive, ensuring maximum visibility. The body features carbon fiber elements mixed with lightweight aluminum, giving it both strength and efficiency. Ferrari's signature red paintwork is available, but clients can also choose from a bespoke range of colors to personalize their motorhome. Large panoramic windows line the sides, ensuring natural light floods the interior, while the retractable awning and automatic entry steps highlight its practicality. Even at a glance, this motorhome is a moving statement of Ferrari's unmatched craftsmanship and futuristic vision. Moving inside, the interior is where Ferrari has truly transformed the concept of a motorhome into a luxury suite. The cabin is adorned with premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber finishes, keeping that Ferrari sportiness alive while offering unmatched comfort. The driver's cockpit is directly inspired by Ferrari's GT cars, featuring a digital cluster, advanced infotainment, and a steering wheel with Ferrari's trademark controls. Behind the driver's area, you step into a fully equipped living space that feels like a five-star hotel room on wheels. A plush seating lounge with recliners, a dining area with a foldable table, and a compact but high-end kitchen with induction stove, refrigerator, and storage make long journeys easy and enjoyable. The sleeping area offers a queen-size bed with premium memory foam mattress, mood lighting, and smart storage. The bathroom is designed with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and even heated floors, making it clear that Ferrari has not compromised on luxury. Technology is seamlessly integrated, with smart home-style controls for lighting, climate, and entertainment, all accessible through touch panels or voice commands. When it comes to performance, Ferrari has not held back. Under the hood, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is powered by a hybrid V8 system paired with electric motors, delivering an impressive combined output of over 700 horsepower. This means you are not just driving a luxury home, but a powerhouse capable of remarkable acceleration and handling that puts it in a class of its own. Advanced suspension ensures stability and comfort even at high speeds, while regenerative braking adds efficiency to long trips. The motorhome can handle highways with ease but also offers adaptive driving modes for different terrains, making it suitable for adventurous journeys. Ferrari has also engineered it with impressive aerodynamics for its size, ensuring reduced drag and better fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision prevention, and 360-degree cameras come standard, giving peace of mind along with the thrill. Finally, let's talk about price. As expected, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is not aimed at the mass market. It is a limited production masterpiece that blends Ferrari's racing pedigree with ultra-luxury travel. The starting price is expected to be around $1.5 million. But with customizations and bespoke options, it can easily cross the $2 million mark.